Just bought a new house. We're gonna walk through for the very first time. I have not seen the inside. I bought it sight unseen. Come on. I did just make sure it's unlocked, but I have not seen the inside. I haven't smelled the inside. Oh, it auto. Okay, no. Knock, knock. All right. So far, so good. Come on in. No lights.
Painted red and blue.
Well, okay. It looks a little bit like a Smurf. Coming to the kitchen. All right. So it's been cleaned out very nicely. We're gonna put some granite countertops here. We got a little cleanup to do there. Not bad. Walk over here. So carpet, probably gonna replace the carpet with brand new carpet, just because we got a little bit of wear and tear. Other than that, knock knock. I don't know if this is the master or not. Come on in. New carpet all throughout, and come on in here. Put granite countertops in here and clean this place up. New paint, new carpet, granite countertops, and this is it's a pretty solid deal. Bought it for $277,000. We're going to do we're gonna add a closet and a door upstairs. ARV on this after we add the fourth bedroom is gonna be $400,000, and I'd like to be in and out of this house in about 2 weeks. So off to the next. See you guys around. Want to get a hold of me? Check out consultwithwilliam.com, where you can talk with me directly about your next investment property or how to get started in real estate investing at all. Talk to you soon.